Hello, today I'm going to take a topic of deja vu. Deja vu is the French term and it means already seen. It is an impulse or a strong sensation that gives the strange feeling of something going in present is happened before. It is depicted very well in a movie Matrix. Neo see a cat in a mirror and in just a moment he see again a similar cat in the mirror. Compare two frames side by side. One reflects the past time happening and the other one reflects present time. Deja vu is the phenomena where it feels that the present scenario already happened in the past. Is it possible? Does deja vu really means experience of past in present time? Most of people we see report experience of having deja vu experience in their life. Scientists call it neurological anomaly and associate it with it temporal lobe epilepsy. In some way they are right. I'm sharing the link in the description box if anybody is interested in knowing about the temporal lobe epilepsy. Science perceives everything in manifested form, something that can be seen and touched, even if it is not direct but the effect can be seen. To understand unmanifested, we need to go beyond the limitation of science. We need to cross the boundary which science has developed around it. Temporal lobe is a part of the brain just inside from the top of your ears and it is important for making and remembering memories. It plays a major part in connecting past, present and future all together. Let us dive deep than the superficial understanding. In a movie, Neo see a cat and in just a moment he see the same cat again. He was actually in present time and saw the future, which was cat in the mirror second time. He saw cat in between the time interval of present and future. Time difference is so minute that it is near to impossible to distinguish present from future. It appears to him that at present moment he experienced cat though he was in future time when the cat actually appears to him. When conscious levels evolve, when conscious level evolve, your Atman is separated from your body and see things exclusive without indulging with the body. Future cat is actually seen by the Atman, the self, while body was in present. It appears to present rest body that it has seen cat before, though it was seen by a conscious mind and that information was stored in a memory. The future experience is stored in a memory and that gives strong feeling of familiarity of the incident. It is a kind of mismatch of present and future event which the body is unable to differentiate. Beginning state of deja vu is experienced by many which describes the incident already visited. When you have a strong feeling of familiarity of the incident, as the conscious level increases, time difference increases between the present and the future event. You have the feeling of life through the moment. Something you lived before, something you heard belong for a long time. It appears as past life connection, but actually it is the future where your body is destined to reach. It is a distance that Atman, yourself, already traveled. Your body recognized the strong connection but couldn't get a clue about it. You developed sight but unable to decipher with minuscule understanding. Experienced by rare personalities. Overwhelming feelings that stays for a long time which enrich you inside out. So strong feeling and you falling towards it, defying all existing gravity. This is the stage of solitude, nirvana, moksha. Atman is longing to merge with the Brahman, the state of eternal bliss. You crave for vairagya, solitude, and aloofness. Moksha means to live life without affecting with the drama of reality, being untouched all through life like a true karma yogi. The experience of deja vu is the experience of Atman. The phenomenon of deja vu is similar to the sudden vibration or impulse that occurred on tranquil state of pure consciousness and disturbed the balance of gunas and creation happened. The world is thus a mere spontaneous creation of Brahman, and the creation is not a conscious effort but an impulsive act. It is an action of an unfettered mind and unrestricted thought that is essence of an Atman. Like a soap bubble burst into several bubbles, the pure essence of a Brahman also divided into Atman. And this is the Ekam Satya of the universe. Matrix is an awesome movie, so deeply researched. Every scene has metaphysical base and a deep rooted philosophy of life. We have seen in movie when they move to the matrix, their bodies lie down on chairs and their real self, the Atman, travel in matrix. To come back to their bodies or in the manifested form, they use phone to their ears. When they awake, they have the feelings about the incident which appears as happened in the past. However, they lie down in the present state and it is their Atman that travel in matrix. Their Atman was engaged in actions, the Atman has seen those things and bodies remember it through memories. The manifested bodies just memorize the familiarity of the experiences. It is not a miracle or a supernatural phenomena. Traveling past, present, and future becomes possible when there is a clarity about present settings. Cognitive brain uses existing knowledge and generate new knowledge about present and future events. Cognition is the mental action or a process of acquiring knowledge, understanding and perceiving it through thoughts, experience and the senses. Cognition is the conscious mental process which is beyond the realm of senses, something which you get through imagination and intuition. Time is just a distance covered in past, present, and future, and when the spirit detaches from the body, it can see past, present, and future all along. This is my understanding on deja vu. Please share your experiences and valuable comments on it. Please hit the